Meaning of interpolation.
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 Interpolation. Interpolation is a mathematical and statistical technique used to estimate unknown values or data points that fall between known values. It involves constructing a function that passes through the known data points and using that function to estimate intermediate values. In other words, interpolation is the process of estimating a value within the range of a set of known values. It is commonly used in science, engineering, and data analysis to fill in missing or incomplete data and to generate smooth curves from discrete data points.